Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia, the owner of Sylvia Craft. Today I'll be showing us how to make this earring. And after watching this tutorial, if you have any question, concern, don't hesitate to ask. I will reply your question. I'll give you answers. And if it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give a thumbs up to this video if you find it interesting. Visit my Instagram handle and my Facebook page at CCV Craft. So let's get started. So today I'm going to take us through this tutorial showing us how to make this earring. It's very simple and classy. I'm going to use size 6 pearls and size 8 pearls, and I'll be using this earring hook gold and also fishing line 0.35. So the first thing to do here is to pick 4 size 8s and let it drop 4 of it like this. Let it drop. After this, then I'll take 1, making it 5. Then I'll crisscross with the 1 like this. At this point, I'm going to pick 3 size 6 on my right and 3 on my left. 3 on my right, 3 on my left. Like this, and then let it drop. After picking it like this, then you take 1 size 8 and pass your fishing line, both the right and the left hand fishing line, through the size 8, just straight like this. Then it falls down like this. It will give you this shape like this. So at this point, you pick size 6 and do the same thing. Pass the 2 fishing line through it like this. Then it will fall like this. So you just have to align it so like this you have it. So the next thing to do is to pick your earring hook, pass the 2 fishing line through it as well like this. See what I'm doing? Hope you can see. Then I pass it here and I drag it down. So at this point, you can use your beading needle if you cannot handle the fishing line, but beading needle is always faster. Then passing your fishing line through the hook, you pass the both fishing line through both the size 6 and size 8. Like this. Then at this point, you have to make it tighter. Drag it very well for it to be tight. So you see what I have at this point. So at this point, I can decide tying it here, but what I want to do, I'll find my way down through these sizes because I want to tie it here. So what I'll do, I'll split this fishing line. 1 will go through these 3, 1 will go through the other 3. Then you see what I'm doing now. Then at this point, I'm going to pass my fishing line through this 3 here, my right fishing line like this. If you're using your needle, you see it will be faster. There's 3, and I'll do the same thing with the left fishing line like this. So at this point, the boat fishing line is just facing down. Then I'll crisscross the boat fishing line with this size 8 at the middle here by passing my right through this like this, and my left doing the same thing with the left, pass it through this like this. So I have it crossed. So at this point, you decide where you want to tie it. If I want to tie it here, I want to tie it here, so I have to pass this round to meet the other fishing line. They will both come out in opposite direction like this. So at this point, I have my fishing line, they are facing each other like this. So the next thing to do is to tie your rope, tie your fishing line. You see, it's very simple. This is beginners friendly. If you're new in beading, you start with this tutorial will help you. So after tying it 3 times, then I cut out the excess like this. So here you go, finished. I have the 2 earrings ready. So go ahead and try this design. Try it. If you have any question, concern, if you're confused at any point, let me know. Try this design and let me know your challenge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time of watching my videos, and also visit my Instagram handle at ccvcraft, and also my Facebook page for other pictures. So go ahead and do yours. See you next time. Bye bye.